Here is a wonderful 2026 Jeep Wrangler. Enjoy all the outdoor life has to offer in the Wrangler, the iconic open-air vehicle that inspires confidence on the road or on the trail. These are just some of the great options this vehicle comes with: heated steering wheel, tires all season, keyless entry, adaptive cruise control, V6 cylinder engine, fog lamps, four-wheel drive, satellite radio, keyless start, backup camera, capable of going anywhere and always authentically you. Drive the Wrangler.